Mga perlas ng kalusugan na sumasayuda.
Number one is health. Kahit na anong dami ng pera mo, pag ang health mo is nagre-reklamo na ang katawan mo, useless. Wala lahat yan.
Kadalasan pag sinasabi na healthy ang isang tao, hindi lang ang health na pisikal ang tinitingnan.
Health goes along with the way we think. And health also goes along with the way our attitude towards things.
Kasi ang health ay tinetake into account rin ang iyong emotional health, ang iyong psychological health.
Sapagkat ang lahat ay nagsisimula sa isipan.
Your mind has a lot to do with it. When you actually visualize, even if you're just lying down, your muscles are moving to what your brain is making you think.
Yung visualization affects our physical constitution. What we visualize becomes a reality as far as our body is concerned.
Yung kalusugan o yung health ko ay para bang isang salamin na pinapakita niya sa akin at sa ibang tao kung may kulang o kung buo yung aking pag-iisip, buo ang aking damdamin, buo yung aking puso o kung butas-butas o watak-watak.
So if you visualize that you are sick, if you think that you are weak, if you think that you are bad, if you think that you are not good enough, your body will create the condition for failure.
Ang sakit na lumalabas sa katawan, hindi nagsimula sa katawan. Nagsimula muna sa diwa, pumunta sa isipan, at naging damdamin.
Lahat ng emosyon na nararamdaman po natin ay nagiging pisikal.
In our body, we have specific organs that will be affected by specific emotion.
Pag nanenervyos po tayo, parang may asido sa loob ng tiyan po natin, di ba? Our fear of everything will stimulate our brain to release more acid. Kaya sinasabi nila, may koneksyon ang ating emosyon sa ating katawan.
Number one, pag may takot po tayo, malubha po ang sakit ng ating isipan.
Bakit ganito nararamdaman ko? Para ako nang lalamig, nanikip ang dibdib ko. That's because masama ang attitude mo.
If we are negative, if we don't like what we are doing, if we are hateful and negative emotion, our immune system is weakened. And that is a scientific fact, no?
And if you have a bad attitude, I wouldn't even call you healthy. Because very soon, I know you will get sick.
Kung ang sakit lumabas na sa katawan, matagal na yan sa kalooban ng tao.
Most of the cancer is pretty much related to emotion.
I've handled a lot of cancer patients. Malalim talaga ang pinanggagalingan ng cancer.
Kung cancer for that matter, nagsisimula naman kasi yan sa astral body, ang emotional body. Emotions pa rin yan.
A very, very deep kind of resentment can cause cancer all over. Kasi there's a lot of resentment, there's a lot of poison. Resentment is poison. Pagka kayo po ay galit sa isang tao, para bagang uminom ka ng lason, pero ang hinihintay mong mamatay ay siya.
Look at all the cancer patients. The ones that survive, they do not survive because they're better doctors or they have better medicines. No, because they have better attitudes.